one and all. So, here we are, ready to begin the second half of our day 3 of Arpit in all anticipation and enthusiasm. Before we dive straight into the performances for the evening, I would like to call upon Pandit Jaitirth Meundi ji. He is one of the leading vocalists of Kirana Gharana. He is here to wish and motivate our participants and bestow his blessings upon the young dancers.
Namaskar, I am Jaitirth Meundi. I am so happy that RSCA is conducting its annual program Arpit in a complete digital platform. It is very unique to the even in the year of a pandemic. I am so happy how Rijita and her teachers of RSCA has trained all the students of the academy who are now across the world and so looking forward to their performances. I wish the students all the success and they should focus on their riyaz and talim to make a very good career in Kathak. मैं सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा. फ्यूचर में आप अच्छा रियाज कीजिए, अच्छा करिए. थैंक यू सो मच. आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत विशेस एंड शुभकामनाएं. Thank you so much.
Starting right off with our first performance for the session, which is a Sharada Bhajan. This bhajan describes the divine beauty of Sharada Mata. It is a compilation of Nritya Bols along with the bhajan. This bhajan will be performed by the beginners batch of RSCA from the Ritvik Foundation branch. The performers are Ananya Mungipuri, Nikita Gadwal, Meera Mali and Paridhi Arya. Here's presenting the Sharada Bhajan.
तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाडापहा।
What is sound? I'm sure all the Kathak artists out there must be knowing this. So what are you waiting for? Send in your answers on the numbers flashing on the screen. Let's move on to the next performance of the evening. Kathak is categorized by intricate footwork and precise rhythmic patterns. The next performance showcases the technical aspects of Kathak, starting with Uthan, Amad, followed by Toras and interesting Tihais, which will showcase the concept of playing with numbers. The dancers are Sara Ramasho from Argentina, Amrita Dharab and Prachi Apashankar from Pune. What a great performance! Now, let's move on to the next question. What is a chakri? You can send your answers on the mobile number or the email ID flashing on your screens. Our next presentation is a Gati Bhed. The word Gati Bhed appears in the Abhinay Darpan, an epic dedicated to dance and written by the great Acharya Nandikeshwar. Every art is inspired by nature, and so is Kathak. Minute changes in nature can be beautifully depicted and expressed through the medium of Kathak. Our next performers are going to perform the Gati Bhed, in which they will perform chalis, which mean the walk of the animals as well as the warrior. These students have also tried to present the correlation of these gatis with the other technical aspects of the tal by incorporating a few parents and tatkars in them. We have Isha Kudarkar, Ira Dhamle, Reva Gokhale, Hridaya Sarvi, Sonam Kamble, Sanvi Jaukar, Nia Goikar and Prajakta Kai performing this beautiful piece.
Moving on to the next question. In which of the following cities is the Kala Ghoda festival held? Option 1 is Kochi, option 2 Pune, option 3 Mumbai, or option 4 Mysore. Do send in your answers to the number on the screen. The Thumri section in Kathak dance performances exhibits a strong connection between music and dance. It highlights the meaning and subtext of the verse through abhinay of facial expressions and gestures, which are commonly known as Hav Bhav and Ada. The next performance is a Thumri, a part of abhinay which portrays the playful antics of Radha Krishna. Kahi Rokate Dagar Pyare is a Thumri by Bindadin Maharaj Ji.
The dancers are Sara Ramasho from Argentina, Amrita Dharab and Prachi Apashankar from Pune.
So here's presenting a Thumri.
काहे रोकत डगर
Before we move on to our next performance, we have a few parents and students of RSCA who would like to share their experience preparing and performing for Arpit Digital this year. So let's have a look at them.
Hi, my name is Rajalakshmi. I live in Zurich and I've been learning Kathak from Poonam Sham for the last 5 years.
I'm Sheetal Kulkarni. I'm from Kalyani Nagar batch.
My name is Shraddha Bhan.
नमस्कार, मी श्वेता अंकारे आणि मी गेले 1 वर्षापासून अनिला मॅमकडे कथक शिकत आहे. आणि ही माझी मुलगी
सानवी. मी गेले 2 वर्षापासून मानिला मॅमकडे कथ्थक शिकते.
Hi, माझं नाव अनुजा भावे.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Mishra.
Hi, my name is Shilpa.
Hello, my name is Tanika Joshi and I got the chance to participate in Arpit, which is a digital dance festival organized by my guru, Rujuta Soman.
Myself Manjushri. Myself Nilakshi.
मेरा नाम गरिमा है.
Hello, this is Isha Satwar, student of Rujuta Soman Cultural Academy.
Online classes were a bit complicated in the beginning, but we sailed through it, and this is the first time we are ever performing in a digital concert. I hope हमारी practice, हमारा presentation सभी को अच्छा लगा होगा. And one more thing, Rujita ma'am, I want to say thank you क्योंकि आपने ही ये platform हम सबको दिया, ये presentation हम कर पाए.
The girls, I mean, now have a very unbreakable attachment with Prisha, and it's always so nice to see them giggling and hearing them laugh and enjoy every moment. That is why the performances, I feel, are turning so beautiful.
अगं लॉकडाऊन आला, मी तर घाबरलीच होती की आपले कथ्थक क्लासेस बंद पडतील.
लॉकडाऊन आला आणि कथक क्लासेस हे ऑनलाईन झाले. ऑनलाईन शिकण्याचा एक पॅटर्न होता. त्यानंतर व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमाने मॅडमने खूप सारे करेक्शन केले आणि यामुळे हा ऑनलाईन क्लास खूप सक्सेसफुल झाला.
I'm very happy that Rujita Didi has started this digital classes since I have just started recently learning Kathak, and I really thought this period I won't be able to practice anymore. But because of this digital platform or digital classes, I could able to continue my Kathak passion.
Initially, it was a different experience, but later on we started enjoying a lot.
My main learning from this experience has been the importance of communication while collaborating.
And this was a great experience for us also, that our daughters are playing a digital performance on this big platform. So this was a big thank you to Rujuta Soman ma'am and Anila ma'am.
Making us comfortable with the camera settings and everything that she could ever think of doing online.
I feel myself very lucky for being able to perform into beautiful compositions of Chaturang and Bhajan in this festival.
So thank you so much, Rujuta Didi, RSCA and Ritwik Foundation for getting us all together in a time where we may feel alone to dance.
भारताच्या बाहेर राहून सुद्धा कथक सारखा क्लासिकल इंडियन डान्स फॉर्म आम्हाला शिकता येतो इथे. I am really glad I'm a part of this. Thank you very much.
With this, we move on to the next question of the evening. Which classical Indian dance form is distinguished by the special postures with 3 independent body movements? Number 1, Manipuri. Number 2, Kalaripayattu. Number 3, Mohiniyattam. And number 4, Odissi. The next performance showcases intermediate level of Tal Jhap Tal, which is of course made up of 10 mantras. This piece starts with Uthan, Thaat, Amad, Paran Amad, followed by a few Parans, Todas, and finally ends with a Kavit. The performers performing this beautiful piece are Arya Bhosle, Arya Kanpe, Sachi Sharma, Tuisha Soni, Tanvi Anand, Aditi Maske and Anusha Patel.
ताल झपताल, विलंबित लय, ती, ना, भी, उठान, ताकि तकिट धान तकिट धान तकिट धा 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 तधा तकिट धान तकिट धान तकिट धा 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 तधा तकिट धान तकिट धान तकिट धा 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 तधा ना धी धी ना आ ती ना थाट धी धी ना आ धी ना धी धी ना आ ती ना धी धी ना आ धी ना धी धी ना आ ती ना आ धी ई धी ई ना आ धी ना धी धी ना आ ती ना आ धी ई धी ई ना आ धी तकिट तक तकिट धान तकिट तक तकिट धान तकिट तक तकिट धान धा धा तक दिमी तकिट तक तकिट तकिट तक तकिट धा सिद्धा तक दिमी तकिट तक तकिट तकिट तक तकिट धा सिद्धा तक दिमी तकिट तक तकिट तकिट तक तकिट धा सिद्धा क्रमलय धी ना धी धी ना आ ती ना धी धी ना आ धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धा धान धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धा धा धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धी धी ना आ आमद धी ना धी धी ना आ ती ना धी धी ना आ ता थे तत आ थे तत ता थे तत आ थे तत थे ता आ थे ता थे ता थे ता थे तत आ थे तत ता थे तत आ थे तत थे ता थे ता थे ता ता ना धी धी ना आ ती ना धी धी ना आ धी परिणामत धी ना आ ती ना धी धी ना आ घा त क थूम गा धा गे दी गे ता धा धिन ता धेत ता कीड़ धा त का थूम गा त की त थे ता थे थे ता थे थे ता थे थे ता थे ता थे 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 ता थे 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 ता थे 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 ता थे 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 ता थे 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 थे ता थे. मध्यलय काही तोडे धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना त्रांग त्रांग तक 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 तू ग दिग 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 थे धेकत धेकत ताथुना ताथुना तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 ता. येचाच एक चक्रदार तोडा धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना त्रांग त्रांग तक 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 तुंग दिग 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 थे धेकत धेकत ताथुना ताथुना तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे त्रांग त्रांग तक 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 तुंग दिग 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 थे धेकत धेकत ताथुना ताथुना तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे त्रांग त्रांग तक तक तुंग दिग 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 थे धेकत धेकत ताथुना ताथुना तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 थे तत 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 थुन 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 ना 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 दिग 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 ता. तिहाई धी धी ना टिटी कटा गदी गन कटा गदी गन धात धान धात धान धात धात धान धा 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 टिटी कटा गदी गन कटा गदी गन धात धान धात धान धात धात धान धा 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 टिटी कटा गदी गन कटा गदी गन धात धान धात धान धात धात धान धा धा धा. काही परण ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना धागे तिथे धागे तिथे कडधा तिथे धागे तिथे धागे दिगी नागे तिथे धागे तिथे कडधा तिथे धट धाण धाण धा तिथे ताण ताण ता तिथे धाण धाण तिथे धाण धाण धा तिथे ताण ताण ता तिथे धाण धाण तिथे धाण धाण धा तिथे ताण ताण ता तिथे धाण धाण धा. एक कवित ती ना धी धी ना धी ना धी धी ना ती ना धी धी ना मैं जाती थी मधुर धुन मैं जाती थी मधुर धुन चाली रे गुमान मेरे सिर धर गुज मैं तो डगर नगर की गेले ही में रोके कान मांगे रे अनोखे दाम यह धुन जाए बाकी चोर जबर की आगे देखो पाछे देखो कोई सखी संग नहीं सरक सरक गई सारी सखी संग की कर मोरा पकड़ कलाई मोरी मरोडारी करक करक गई सारी चूड़ी कर की करक करक गई सारी चूड़ी कर की करक करक गई सारी चूड़ी कर की. तिहाई ताकिट धिकिट तक ताकिट धिकिट तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था ताकिट धिकिट तक ताकिट धिकिट तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था ताकिट धिकिट तक ताकिट धिकिट तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक ताकिट धिकिट था तक तक धा धा धा.
What a beautiful performance. Now, here comes our next question. Tal Jhaptal has a khali in the 8th matra. True or false? You can send us your answers on the mobile number or the email ID flashing on your screens. Our next performance is Abhanga. Abhanga is a devotional song which describes and praises God. It describes God as the root of all Vedas and describes His purity. Man tends to search God in idols and does not realize that He resides within us and not in the idols. Only a true devotee can understand this. The next Abhanga, Anadi Nirmal, is written by Sant Tsokhamaya, popularly known as Tsokhoba, and is choreographed by Tulsi Kulkarni and Sanika Devdar, the senior students of RSCA. The performers are Shreya Karandikar, Sanika Joshi, Isha Chhatre, Indraja Chhatri, and Falguni Kulkarni. The troupe has also bagged the 3rd prize in Abhanga Nritya Spardha. Presenting Abhanga.
निर्मळ वेदांचे जे मूळ अनादि निर्मळ वेदांचे जे मूळ अनादि निर्मळ वेदांचे जे मूळ परब्रह्म सोज्वळ विटेवरी अनादि निर्मळ वेदांचे जे मूळ अनादि निर्मळ वेदांचे जे मूळ परब्रह्म सोज्वळ विटेवरी
That was an amazing performance. And now moving on to our final question for the quiz. Which of the following is performed on stage along with its primitive form? Option 1 Natya Dharmi or option 2 Loka Dharmi? Do send in your answers to the number on the screen. Tulsi Sadanand Kulkarni is a Kathak dancer. She has been learning Kathak for the past 19 years under the guidance of her guru, Srimati Rujita Soman. She is a Kathak Visharad and will be pursuing Alankar in this field. She has performed at various prestigious festivals in India, such as the Kala Ghoda Festival in Mumbai, Nana Panse Samaroha in Damoh, Madhya Pradesh, the Mrinalini Sarabhai Festival in Kerala, and at IIC Delhi. She has performed at the prestigious Pune Festival for 3 years. She has also performed at the Nanning International Folk Art and Song Festival held in China in 2011. In 2013, she performed at Zurich, Switzerland and at the Indian Embassy at Berlin, Germany. She has been conducting classes for the past 13 years and works as the Academy Head of RSCA. So here's presenting the solo performance of one of the most brilliant students at RSCA, Tulsi Kulkarni.
नमस्कार, आज आपके सामने सर्वप्रथम प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ त्रिदेवता स्तुति। महादेव, माँ दुर्गा और श्री कृष्ण जी पर आधारित ये स्तुति है। इसकी नृत्य संरचना गुरु पंडिता डॉक्टर रोहिणी भाटे जी इन्होंने की है। प्रस्तुत है त्रिदेवता स्तुति।
जय महेश जटाजूट कंठ सोहे कालकूट तीन नेत्र चंद्रभाल गले में मुंडन की माल गौरी अर्धंग संग भस्म ललित अंग अंग जाको महिमा अपार वेद रटत था के
हिडन ताड
प्रभा मृगपति स्कंधस्थिता भीषणा कन्याभिः करवालकेट विलसत् हस्ताभिरा सेविता हस्तैश्चक्रगदा शिखेत विशिखांश्चापं गुणं तर्जनी बिभ्राणाम् अदलात्मिकां शशिधरां दुर्गां त्रिनेत्रां भजे फुल्लेन्दीवर कान्तिमिन्दुवदनं बर्हावतं सप्रियम् श्रीवत्साङ्कमुदार कौस्तुभधरम् नयनोत्पलार्चिततनु गोप संघातम् गोविन्दं कलवेणु वादन परम् दिव्यांग
त्रिदेवता स्तुति के बाद प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ एक लमछड़ कवित भक्त प्रहलाद। भगवान विष्णु के 10 अवतारों में से एक अवतार नरसिंह अवतार के ऊपर ये कथा आधारित है। सर्वपरिचित ऐसी कथा इस कथा की साहित्य, संगीत और नृत्य रचना गुरु पंडिता डॉक्टर रोहिणी भाटे जी इनकी है। प्रस्तुत है भक्त प्रहलाद।
हिरण्यकश्यपु राक्षस था, एक प्रमत्त और निष्ठुर नृपति, पर भक्त महा था शिव जी का, कियो गान ध्यान तप घोर अति। प्रकट भय संतुष्ट सदा शिव, दिया असुर को ये वरदान, मर्त्यामर गृह के भीतर बाहर, कोई न उसके हरेंगे प्राण। रवि न बनेगा साक्षी मृत्यु का, निशान उसका हेरे अंत, निश्चिंत करेगा राज असुर, रहे राज्य श्री पर सदा बसंत। अद्भुत ऐसा दान मिला वर, प्रबल असुर भय प्रबल प्रबल तर, सोच समझ खो बैठे अपनी, गर्व चढ़ा जो बाढ़ अनावर। धान दिखट कट दिखट दिखट कट दिखट खून खून नान ना, हर खून तक नर खून तक तक दिखट तक दिखट धान धान धर कर कर लगे दिए धान कर लगे दिए धान कर लगे दिए धान। ब्रह्मा मैं विष्णु मैं शिव, सृष्टि स्थिति का साक्षी मैं विनाशकर्ता विश्वपाल, स्वर्ग लोक का स्वामी मैं। प्रहलाद नाम जो असुर पुत्र था, जन्म ही से हरि भक्त रहा, हरि संग बोले हरि संग खेले, डोले हरि संग लगे लगन महा। कहता असुर मित सुत से तेरी, लगन नहीं ये हितकारी, हरि मित्र नहीं कुल शत्रु बड़ा, है पाप नाम रट हरि हरि। क्षमा कीजिए सास बात बड़ी छोटे मुँह मैं कहता हूँ, हरि भक्ति बिना बीते पल छिन, मैं पाप समझ कर जीता हूँ, हरि शत्रु नहीं। हरि जगदोद्धारक सकल जगत के पालनहार, हरि दया निधि हरि प्यार का सागर, माया जिसकी अपरंपार। फूलों में हरि भंवरों में, पत्थर में और पहाड़ों में, हरि जल भीतर हरि वायु में, हरि वृक्ष लता वन उपवन में। अल्पमति मैं बालक और शिव भक्त आप है ज्ञानी महा, क्या हर तत्व एक है, एक ही एक में द्वैत कहा। क्रोध विवश हो असुरपति, बोले इस विद्रोही सुत को, पिलवाओ विष गिराओ गिर से, मिटने दो कुल कलंक को। हाय रानी सुनि दैत्यवान पति चरण शरण ले रो कर, तुम क्षमा करो इस बालक को, संकल्प छोड़ दो ये भय। पर क्रोध का भूत सवार ही था, प्रहलाद को गिर से गिरा दिया, और अट्टहास कर ठहरे जो हरि ने उसको लगा लिया। सीमित असुर पर द्वेष मिटा नहीं, प्रयास निष्फल सब ठहरा, फिर प्रश्न किया अपने सुख से, कहो किधर हरि रहता तेरा। ये प्रश्न साथ है निरर्थक, कारण हरि नहीं ऐसी जगह में, कोई वस्तु नहीं या वास्तु नहीं, हरि नहीं तो सृष्टि नहीं है हरि तेरा। इस वास्तु में, इस दीवार में, इस खंबे में, लगता प्रहार से तेरे, इस देव की पूजा बांधू में। हम मधुबन हुआ कि हुए शतखंड धरती के, एक
हैं, अमर सृष्टि कर पुष्प वृष्टि मन फूले नहीं समाये हैं, फिर हारे सब हर्षित बोले प्रहलाद हरि को भाए हैं, प्रहलाद हरि को भाए हैं, प्रहलाद हरि को पाए हैं।
We now have our next and last performance for the evening. Poonam Sham, a promising young Kathak dancer. She is the choreographer and the senior most disciple of Guru Rujita Som. She has been learning Kathak under the guidance of Guru Rujita ji for more than 2 decades now. Poonam Didi is extremely talented and well versed with the language of gestures, which imparts her tremendous capacity to enthrall the audiences with her performances. She has rightly shown her mettle through original, traditional, as well as contemporary compositions. She has received the title of Nritya Visharad by Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. She has been thoroughly trained in jazz, Indo-jazz and Bollywood style from Shamak Towers Institute of Performing Arts. She has also been certified as the Students with Special Potential. Presently located in Zurich, Switzerland, Poonam Didi has choreographed for a few television commercials and Marathi films as well. She started her own dance school, Trishna, where training in pure classical dance Kathak is given, an attempt to carry forward the work of her guru, Rujita Som. Today, she will be presenting to us a beautiful choreography choreographed by her very own guru, Rujita ji, Deem Deem Damadamaru Baji.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now the time for the last sequence of today's presentation has come. As per the Indian mythology, Shiva is said to be the supreme dancer. He plays a two-headed drum called as Damaru. And it is believed that the sound of this Damaru resonates through all the 3 worlds: heaven, earth and the underworld. And exactly this thought is presented in our next presentation. It's a beautiful composition, Deem Deem Damar Damaru Baji, enlaced with lots of rhythms and percussions, highlighting the Tal and Lay aspect under the marvelous vision of Talayogi Pandit Suresh Talwalkar ji. It showcases Tandav, the rigorous dance of Shiva, beautifully choreographed by our guru Srimati Rujita Soman. Me, along with my students Anuja Bhave, Neha Arodekar, Shilpa Kopula and Rajalakshmi Rai, will try to present this composition before you all. Here's to the last presentation of today's evening, Deem Deem Damar Damaru Baji.
Yeah. ना पदे प्रतिपनाद कर डिम 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 डम ना कदि गंधन झन 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 की का झन झन लांग झन ना कर धे तड़न ना कर धे झन ना के त्रिक तक तक ताग धाग 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 त्रिक दान धान तान धान ता धा धान तान धान ता धा धान तान धान तान धा धान तान धान तान धा धान तान धान ता धा धान तान धान धान धा धान तान धान तान धा धान तान धान तान धा धान तान धान तान धा
I have to get the polka dot socks.
Okay, stop.
That was a spectacular performance. It is unbelievable how quick the past 3 days have gone by that we didn't even realize that even the last performance of our day 3 is come to an end. We really hope that you've liked all the performances performed by the students of RSCA. I would now like to call upon Ruchita Tai, who would take us through a short award ceremony.
Namaste. I'm so grateful to all of you for watching my students' performances and encouraging them so much. Before we conclude, we have some special mentions and prizes which I would like to give away to the participants of ARPIT 2020. Starting off with a special mention to Renuka Tikare for managing and handling the classical quizzes. Thank you, Renuka, for making this event so interesting and engaging also. Then I would like to mention about my students Isha Chhatre, Indraja Chhatre, Falguni Kulkarni, Prisha Thakkar, Shreya Karandikar and Sanika Joshi. They had participated in Abhanga competition and they won the second prize. The choreography of this Abhanga was done by our own talented performers and teachers of RSCA, Tulsi Kulkarni and Sanika Devdhar. Heartiest congratulations to the team. Then I would like to mention Neha Damne and Isha Satve. They had participated in Bal Kala Utsav in solo as well as duet category. Isha Satve was the finalist in the solo competition
and they won the third prize.
Congratulations to both of you. The next special mention is for Prisha Thakkar, the best teacher in RSCA for the year 2020. Congratulations, Prisha, and may you get a lot of success in future. God bless you. She has been teaching in RSCA for the past 2 years, and her enthusiasm and bubbliness is what makes her students love her. And lastly, our long service faculty award goes to Aboli Abhyankar Thatte. She's been handling our one of the branch of RSCA since last 5 years. She's always ready to help her colleagues and juniors in many ways. She's very loving, smiling and very caring teacher. All the best, Aboli, for your future endeavors and may you shine bright. We are also giving participation certificates to all the students who have participated in ARPIT 2020. You all have done a great job and I hope you become even better in coming future. All the best to all of you and God bless. On this note, I would now like to call upon Mrs. Chetana Kadleji, our co-founder and director of Rutvik Foundation for Performing Arts, to congratulate our participants and also to say few words.
Namaste. It gives me a great pleasure to congratulate all the winners of the 2020 Arpit Awards. My heartiest congratulations to Prisha for getting recognized as the best faculty of the year, and I wish her a great future in the RSCA. I also appreciate the hard work and efforts put in by all the faculty members of the RSCA. My congratulations and best wishes to all the students of the Academy who will be recognized for their brilliant achievements this year. I wish each one of you a very bright future ahead. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call upon the Director of Ritvik Foundation for Performing Arts, Mr. Sudipto Majid, to say a few words.
Good evening, and what a wonderful program we had over the last 3 days. The 4 sessions were outstanding. In fact, 1 month back when Rujita Soman met me and we had a discussion with our chairman, Mr. Praveen Kadle, we never imagined that the digital Arpit 2020 will come out at such a wonderful event, integrating all the students of the Academy globally. I want to congratulate each one of the performers for that. But the least I can do is to really congratulate the core team of RSCA who made it all possible. Prisha, Pradnya, Shreya and Anila, what a wonderful work you have done to come up with this whole production. It is a great job and I really congratulate you from the Ritvik Foundation for Performing Arts. We must not also forget our hosts for the last 4 sessions who did it over the last 3 days. Wonderful work, Srishti, Neha and Kavina. You kept the sessions lively and we were all glued to the seats at the comfort of our home. Thank you so much, the core team of RSCA, and you did a great job.
On that note, I would like to call upon Rujita Tai to say a few words.
Namaste. As we come to the end of the 3rd day of the annual festival, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who have helped us making this festival a grand success. First of all, I would like to thank our chairman and founder of the Ritvik Foundation for Performing Arts, Mr. Praveen Kadleji and Mrs. Chetana Kadleji, for continuously supporting us and encouraging us for so many activities run by RSCA. And especially this time, we are really grateful for providing us such a wonderful digital platform, Sharada Rangamanch. I truly feel very blessed and privileged that RSCA is a division of Ritvik Foundation for Performing Arts. And I would be always grateful to Mr. Praveen Kadleji for the same. And the one and only Sudipto Majid, whose name we can never forget to take. He is not only the mentor of RSCA, but also he has been encouraging us and supporting us strongly to build Arpit 2020. Thank you so much, Sudipto ji. I thank Mrs. Bhumija Chidambar, who is our admin, and the entire Ritvik Foundation team for supporting us in many ways. My special thanks to Ameyu Kulkarni for doing the toughest and biggest job of editing home shoots beautifully and brought them all together in front of you. I thank to the technical team who helped us shooting at Ritvik Foundation, videography Kedar Gorbole, sound Prashant Kamble, and lights Harshavardhan Pathak. All has given us extremely lively and stage-like feel. I would like to thank AOS brand consultants for timely designing beautiful posters and doing fabulous publicity. Our special thanks to Learned Studio team, right from putting up the whole show on Ritvik Foundation website to streaming it, and because of them, we are able to celebrate our show virtually. I would also like to thank Jaideep Vaidya, who has helped us create many beautiful tracks. You must have heard few bhajans, Tal Dhamar and Rupak. He himself has arranged the music, he has recorded himself, he has sung, he has played the tabla. So kudos to this versatile artist, Jaideep Vaidya. And the last but not the least, all my dear parents and students. I really don't have any words to express myself. But I was really touched with the overwhelming response from all the parents and students for this digital Arpit. My heartfelt thanks to all the parents for supporting and not only encouraging your kids to learn digitally but also to participate in this annual show. I always say that parents are the real backbone of each and every show. And it wouldn't have been possible without your kind support. Dear parents and students, you have worked so hard, you have practiced, you have learned everything, and on the top of it, you all have converted your houses into studios. I would especially like to thank my core team who has put day and night together to make this happen. My thanks to all my lovely teachers, dedicated teachers and all dedicated students who have taken a lot of efforts to shoot their videos in the most difficult situations and in odd weathers too. Your active participation is much appreciated, and I thank you for all your love, and this will help us to grow more. This Arpit 2020 will remain in our memories forever. Thank you so much.
With this, we finally come to an end of our day 3 of Arpit 2020. We really hope you've enjoyed all our performances as much as we've enjoyed performing them. We will be bringing to you performances by some of the renowned and eminent artists like Guru Rani Khanam ji, Srimati Deepika Vardharajan ji and Srimati Rujita Soman ji in our final segment of Arpit, the grand finale. Stay tuned to know more about our grand finale, which will be coming soon. We hope to see you all right there. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.